If you are facing payment errors in Free Fire on your Android phone, here is how you can fix them step by step. First of all, clear the Google Play Store cache and data. Go to your phone settings, then apps, then app management or manage apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Google Play Store from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage and select clear cache. This can fix temporary payment glitches. Next, check your payment method. Make sure your card or wallet has enough funds and that your billing address matches the address in your Google Payment Center. Incorrect details can cause transactions to fail. Also check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi network because unstable mobile data can cause transaction errors during payment. After that, restart your device. Once it turns back on, open the Google Play Store and log out of your Google account, then log back in. This refreshes your account session. Now let's talk about some common errors fixes. If you are seeing the transaction failed 2999 error, it's often caused by internet instability. Try switching to a different network or restart your phone and try again. If you get a cannot complete transaction error, switch your payment method. For example, if you are using a credit card, try using any other method or a Google Play gift card instead. Also make sure your Google Play region matches your current location. Incorrect currency or region settings can block payments. If the issue still isn't resolved, contact Garena support for help, especially if your payment method has been blocked. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.